Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the F90 fighter. Although I already built a variant of this, the first release by the 012 GTO model kit. And this one, although they have the same box, it is the Unit 2 or the purple form of this kit. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this GTO2 has to offer us collectors. Found here at Loose Kits. So this is the same box that we had with the previous F90 fighter, the regular one, and this is just the color variant or the purple version, which is the Unit 2 in the manga, if I'm not mistaken. So I will not tackle in details with this kit, especially the box, since the box is just a simple box where we got this printout or sketch of the F90 Gundam. Okay, so let's go with the instruction manual. As I said, this is also the same with the previous one. They are technically the same, so it's just scan it for review purposes. So this has a not so many parts, which is easy to build. Okay, there we go, the building sequence. This is not that hard to build. As I remember, I finished this kit within 3 hours without distraction. Okay, although I had a problem with the previous one with a broken peg on the side skirt. Okay, so this is the purple parts, supposed to be in the previous or the first release. These are all white, but I much like the purple color of this. The reason why I bought it, even though I had already the first one, because I really like the purple color of this. Okay, so there we got the second pack for the gray parts. Sad to say there is no bazooka for this kit, and we got this gray parts for the inner frame. We got this useless action-based stand, which I threw because although this is very useful, but the stand here doesn't fit. The stick, the silver stick, doesn't fit well here because this is very wide. Diameter is very wide compared with the silver stick. So this is a useless stand actually. I will just throw this thing off. And we got this white parts here for, I think this one, yes, this is for the side skirt, if I'm not mistaken, or the feet. Okay, and we got this multi-colored parts here. We got the black parts, the clear parts, and yellow parts, and white parts for the shield, and again purple parts for the armor pieces. Then again, we got this guiding wire and this snake skin tubing, which I didn't use with the previous kit that I built. And there we got the foil stickers, which is doesn't really stick well with the kit, so a bit useless also. And then we got this water slide decals. Okay, just a quick runner review before we build the kit. We got here, of course, the purple parts, which is the runner B here. Then we got this metallic gray parts, which is very nice. I think I don't get this kind of metallic gray with the previous build that I built. And this is runner D. I really like the metallic color parts here, very fine. And there we got gray parts for the guns and the, what do you call this, the energy pack for the gun. And these are all for the armor or the armaments and the inner frame. Then we got here another gray parts. There we got extra packs again, which is very nice. Then we got metallic gray parts, runner E. Oops, sorry for that. Okay, we got the 2 sets of runner E here for the inner frame parts. We got runner G, two sets of runner G as well for these white pieces here. And we got these runner A white parts. Another runner A for this yellow pieces. Then we got red parts again for runner A and another runner A here. So we got two sets of this. It's up to you whether you like to use these black color or these white color parts here. Very nice. This is a nice touch here for some reserve on your pieces here. Then we got clear runners for the eyes, and I think this one for what they call this, for the cockpit. Then we got this lunge part. And runner C here, two sets of runner C for this purple armor pieces or armor parts. Then we got clear blue beam saber effect parts. Okay, and then we got the foil stickers and water slide deals. So let's build this kit. And so the finished product here for the F90 Unit 2 from GTO 012 Bootleg company. And technically speaking, this has actually no difference in terms of structure from the previous one that I built, which is the F90 Unit 1. The only difference, of course, is the color, which for me, this is much better, this purple one, compared with the traditional one, the Unit 1. And I really like the purple scheme of this kit. The purple is a bit vibrant for me, and it's not that dull, and it's bright. The purple color is bright. I really like it. And one thing that I admire here are the metal parts, or rather the metallic colored gray parts there. It's not metal. I'm sorry, it's not metal. It's all plastic. So the metallic colored gray here really stand out. I really like it there. All the inner frame and the backpack parts, these are all metallic colored gray, and I really like it. It's so cool. And there we got loose parts for the ankle guard, or this protector here, which is loose. I might put some glue after this review. And I will not do the articulation for this one because I already did articulation with the Unit 1, and just watch the video for that. All I can do here is to compare the feature of both kits. So here we got the shield. They are technically the same but different in color, although you have the choice from this color, this dark blue, to white color on this shades here, but I much like the dark form compared with the white, because there are so many white accents already, so I chose the dark blue color here on the shield. And for the hands, of course, I changed it from Dalin decal hands to Dalin decal hands, I mean, from the stock hands. And I didn't had a hard time choosing which kind of Dalin decal hand to use because of the metallic colored gray runner here. I chose the metallic colored gray hands as well, although they are of different shade, but it doesn't matter. Still it complements. And there's a fucking fly there. Where's that fly? Anyway, one thing that I don't like on this Unit 2 is the gun. As you can see, the gun is really crooked. It's not that straight. As you can see here on this barrel here, it's not straight. there. Maybe this is a mold problem during the mold process for this part. And the head, to be honest, I really had a hard time fixing the head since the head has so big gap on this part. What I did is I trimmed the peg and applied super glue, because even though I trimmed the peg on this forehead camera here, it's still not fitting. There's this resistance, pushing resistance from the head parts, so it's easily being pulled. But since I put super glue and compress it really tight, now it's fixed. But I don't know if that's my copy, because I didn't encounter it with this unit 1 here, so everything runs smoothly on this kit. But with this unit 2 here, the problems I encountered are the head, the sword, the gun barrel, which is very loose, and also this one. This is very loose. I might put some glue in there. It's this one is a bit to be removed, as I can see. So I might put some glue here on this ankle guard, like that. But all in all, these are all great. The kit is all great, very nice. I really like the color of this kit compared with this one. So let's go with the size comparison for this kit. Since this is a master grade, this kit is smaller than your normal master grade model kits. So let's compare it with this 1/100 scale kit from Dudu Model. So this is the copy of Bandai Reborn 100 Freight Custom. So a Freight Custom is a bit taller than the F90. And let's compare it with the average master grade here. I got the Gundam RX-78-5, and this is of course taller than the 2. Okay, so the average master grade here is taller than, of course, the F90, because these are all small frame model kit. And let's compare it with my 172 scale Plamax Dogram, and I got here the Habitate, and they're almost the same height. Okay, so Habitate here, which is a grunt suit, is almost average height, or almost the same height with the F90, even though this one is a bit taller because of this his antenna here. Okay, so thank you for watching this review of Gundam F90 Unit 2 from GTO 012 model kit. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studios, saying good night, God bless, take care. Masalama.